Hello,
Hi.
everyone. Welcome to our live stream. Here is Responsy display. I'm Nicole, account manager here, and this is my partner, Alex.
Welcome all of you. My name is Alice. I have been our company for about 3 years, and so great to have a chance to share our experience about our companies and our products here. So, Nicole, what are we going to share today?
Today we are going to generate information about Responsy. Total 4 parts. The first part is that we'll give you a brief introduction about Responsy, what we can do. And the second part is that to share you some good design display or with some special treatment to share with you. The third part is that to answer question you may have. And the next part is that to give coupons, discount coupons for self-production. Okay, let's start the first part to introduce our company. Our company name is Responsy, and it's a unique word created by our company founder. You can't find this word from any dictionary.
Why we name Responsy?
Because we are a responsible team. Responsy is involved from responsibility. So the responsibility is our main value of our company culture. Everybody work here must be responsible for our job and our client. We also get our company name, Responsy, registered in USA and Australia.
Why it seems nothing to help on our business?
Yes, it seems like it's nothing to do our business to get our company name registered overseas. But our team is striving for to make our company name as a brand name, a great supplier brand name to survey our clients overseas. So how to introduce our main business and market?
As you know, we have 15 years in customized display in substrates, and today we are going to share you some displays. A display we work with some brands. We also ever work with some brands, international technologies, such as the array business and Sonys. And other display we also can do, such as the cosmetic display and speaker display and sunglasses display and watches display and footwear display and so on. So all of these display, 90% of them are shipped to Australia and USA.
Okay.
Is it convenient for our client to visit us?
Sure, definitely. Our company located in a city south of China. We are very close to Shenzhen. It is just one drive hour to the border between Shenzhen and Hong Kong, and it's just 2 drive hours from Hong Kong International Port. So it is very convenient for you to come to us, and to hope we will have a chance to commit with you face to face in the near future.
Yep. We do hope you guys can have a visit with us, and our company to see our batteries. We totally have 100 employees here, and 21 of them are all engineers. They all, half of them have over 8 years experience in POP displays, designs, and solutions. They can offer very workable solutions and available ideas and for apps. And besides, they can make structural drawing for us to check the details one by one to ensure we don't have a misunderstanding and omissions. about the design, about and how about our qualities?
Yes, I think clients will care about quality. So do Responsy. So does Responsy. We care the quality very much. So that's why we can stand in the error over 15 years. We also get our factory certified by ISO 9001. Here is our certificate about ISO 9001. Also, we get factory audit passed from SDSBB, such as world famous third party to do factory inspection. As because we have a good reputation in this area, so now we can be a member of Shop Environment Association in the Great China region. Also, we got Grade A as a manufacturer certified by Shenzhen Exhibition Prop Industry Association. Just 11 manufacturers get the certified with grade A, so we're very happy to get this grade A manufacturers. So, can you talk about our advantage to compare with our competitors?
Yep, I'm so glad to get the honors for this. We have four points advantage to make our apps achieve on the purpose. We are good at handling the multi-material displays mixed with such as the material like metal, acrylic, and wood, and other plastic materials. So with this uh, advantage, we can help our client to save much time because they just need to buy one supplier, just like us.
Yes, or the second advantage that we are also really good at interactive display and the internet display involved with 19 screen or some sensors. We have a great group of experienced engineers to do develop and research on new trends on retail environment. So we are very good at for this. And now we have a patent for displays. Total, now till now we have 9 patents. Here is our certificates for the patents, including 2 patents for interactive display and intermittent display. That's the second advantage.
Wow, that's a great certificate. And to get this certificate, our team have a tree project system. It's a very good advantage to achieve a smoothly and fast working style. And with this style, we can work with different team with different advantages. So we can do the many displays with many requirements according to our clients.
Yes, everyone in the project team must be responsible for detail till the goal delivery. So this can move the project can run smooth and fast. So the next advantage is that fast action reaction speed. You just need to offer one image or you to the and let us to code you that. As our engineers very experienced can give a lot of solution or options for you to choose. This can make you can get the code as soon as possible, which can make you can run your very faster than your computers. That is the four advantages about our Responsy.
Yeah.
And today we are going to introduce 4 displays, including 3 wooden display and 1 acrylic display.
Yep. Well, before we going to show you the displays, we are going to tell you a surprise that we get 15 discount coupons ready for you guys. If you guys can leave message here or up some question on the screen, so you will get this discount coupon with 10% discount.
So that's a really great opportunity, but no, please don't miss them.
Yeah, please don't be hesitate to leave message here, and we will all answer your question one by one later.
Okay. So let's see who will be the next ones to that coupons.
Yep.
Okay, let's get started our introduction for the first product.
Yeah. Okay, Nicole, here you see it's a very fashionable design for champion.
Yes, it is very cute and make me remind of a snake, and some kids may even want to sit on the top of this snake shape design.
Very beautiful, yeah. Let's talk starting from the materials and the finish.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, as you see, this ledge, curved edge, is made of metal sheets.
So why we use it in metal, not wood? I see some people, clients prefer to wood snatch neck.
Because as you see, metal can be earthed in this curved shape, and the wood also can do it, but the wood sometimes very high in cost.
Oh, I see. Yes.
This metal legs is powder coating, and if we use the wooden, it will make us to spend much labor cost on the wood. So display sometimes is a tool for promotion, but not a consumer goods. Okay.
Yes, you're telling the truth. Because most of clients don't want to spend too much on the display.
Yeah, their engineer can offer valuable solutions sometimes to save much or for our client and for us because they have a very rich experience. And okay, when it comes to the middle part, what do you think what is it made of?
Because our engineering is very good at handling multiple materials involved displays. So if you don't consider the structure and cost, I think the middle or the one can made of metal with powder coating, or wood in oil painting, or PVC the plastic materials with decals, or oil painting, or even colored acrylic.
Yeah, the last one is acrylic. This middle part is made of acrylic. We also can do is oil painting. This part is made by finished in oil painting.
So I remember that if there is a colored acrylic in stock, that will be the cost would be much lower to save cost. So why we don't use stock acrylic here?
Yes, stock acrylic sometimes is very good, but as this display have a special cover in this, we need to have the acrylic match their brand covers. So these companies have a very in requirements on the qualities. Maybe about 200 pieces, but this can't meet our MOQ. So we bring out these solutions with agree with oil painting, so it can help us to save much cost on cost.
I say the coin is very small, and you also the kind of want to make the color match the brand image. So the stock acrylics can't get the standard about from clients. That's why we use the oil painted acrylic. It's really a good solution to our client.
Yeah. And when it comes to the top, is it what do you think? Is it?
I think most of the clients will like wood to make the sled as some the sled the sled from the market made wood sleds here and wood sled. Yes, I think wood will be the first option.
Yeah, many alcohol blends are fond of the wood, but also because of the cost, we choose to make it in acrylic. Why? Wooden seems better, but if you also make this chocolate in wood, it will total treat the materials on this display. So we can have 3 manufacturer line to make achieve this display. This will make the cost very high.
Oh, our team really spent a lot of engineer time and energy to give our client a best cost economy option while to make the look as good as possible. So they're really good at handling different materials.
Yep.
So how about we talk about the logo printing? I think there are two logos, different logos here.
Okay. As you see, here's a front logo. This logo is laser cut, and so the lighting can came out through from the inside, so you can see the lighting.
No, we don't turn on the lighting here.
Wow, yes. As you see, there's a bell-like logo here. Is it shiny?
Yes.
Yeah. And on the side, there's also this logo, but this logo is 3D logo. You can touch this. Yes, it's very great.
So except the two printings, can we have other printing?
Yeah. We also can make the screen printing and digital printing and offset printing. And we also can make the good logos such as the lace logo.
It's a logo.
Yeah.
Even some etched logo. So and pad printing or some UV painting. So out of different ways to handle your logos to meet your requirements.
Yes, we can do the many manufacturing technology. Yes, and you see this bottle is perfectly fit the hole.
Yes, it is fitting in the holes. Perfect.
Yeah, we sometimes ask our client to offer us their product to do a fitting test, so we can make sure our display can work on your products.
Yes, it is definitely a good way to do fitting test to make sure that your product are definitely workable to avoid fit problem after you receive it. So it's really a good way.
Yeah, and so our designer can bring out a very valuable solutions. So sometimes how to control our qualities. I will bring you guys some price. We have a SOP written on in our system. So we can do the inspections for the incoming materials and the production line and the manufacturing technologies and the product itself to ensure the qualities match your requirements.
Okay, there are several there defects happen everywhere, but we have a good quality to good team to control quality to make sure that defects removed from mass production.
Yeah.
Such as the first one is that we don't want to allow there are visible marks or black spots and some even scratch or cracks on the surface. I see this one is no smooth, no spots, so we don't have to have any tip to choose materials.
Yes. We also can polish the edge of the acrylic panels. So we also can avoid the chipping and breakages of the materials.
Okay, and next we will check the panel bonding for glued product to make sure the bonding is very strong enough, while make sure the looking is very good. So we'll push the panels to check the glued part or do weighting test to put such as 1 kilometer product here to check the bonding abilities to make sure all are good enough to be shipped out.
Yeah. When you talk about the glue, you also need to ensure that there's no root mark on the acrylic panels, and the bubbles as well is not available not aroused on the manufacturing.
Okay, that's all our introduction for this display.
Yeah.
Please leave a message here if you have any question.
Yes.
Except this acrylic display, wine display also can handle other displays such as cosmetic display, sunglass display, watch display, footwear display, or even speaker display. Any display you want to know details, please follow us and you will get more information. We'll update the feeds weekly or sometimes from us. So please just follow us.
Okay, let me check anyone to send up some message. Wow. I see some new guys coming. Welcome to all of you.
Welcome.
Maybe you will know who we are. Let us briefly introduce who we are.
Yes, here is Responsy display. I'm Nicole. Here's Alex. We have Responsy display has been this ever over 15 years. About 90% products shipped to America, Australia, and Europe.
And we have a group of engineers who can offer us available solutions and drawing for you to check details one by one. Okay, here's we have some discount coupons ready for you guys. If you leave message here and email to us or ask us some question, you will possibly be the lucky ones to get this.
So yes, you just need to new message here. You possibly will be the lucky one to get coupons. So the coupons are free. Why don't you have a try? So we'll take a screenshot by phone. The name shown on the phone screen will be the lucky ones to get coupons. So I'll count down 3 seconds. Are you ready?
Yep, ready.
Okay,
Three, two, one.
Okay, we'll give you our workmate will give us the name list later. So let's say anyone have a question here. So
okay, let me check. Is anyone? Someone says he love our design. Okay, what products I want to customize this display? Thank you. Oh, one guy's upside can we add his logo?
sure. We have a creative designer, so And we mainly focus on customized displays, so logo is definitely available to your display. So if you need a structure drawing or creative design, please come to us. We have an in-house designer to help you to do so.
Wow, Nicole, let me check. Someone said he wanted it. It's really great.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, someone asked, can we offer free sample?
Free sample. As we focus on customized display, so we don't stock too much materials, and the structure is totally different from others. So we have to spend a lot of time or energy to do a new sample to our client. So this really costs a lot. So we don't offer free samples.
Oh, thank you, Nichols. Thanks for your answer. Thanks for your question. Oh, here I got the name list who have got our discount coupons. They are namely Ellen and Kelly and Eileen. Well, congratulations to all of you.
Yes, congratulations to all of you guys. Please email to us by new message here or follow us and direct email us or click the space product link on the right to chat with our people to get more details.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. Let's move to the introduction for our second product.
Yeah.
So, Alex, did you find where is our display here?
There's nothing here. Is it ready?
Yes, sure. You already saw it on a site.
Is it?
Yes, it is just on behind of us. So that's our second product. Okay, how about let's stack up together?
Okay. 4x6 can be stepped up to make work as a independent display well job.
Yes. Now, when we stack the 4 boxes together, now it became a floor stand. So you can put wines or some drink here to display your products. Or we can take just stack 2 or 3 boxes here, depending on your requirements based on the real retail situation. So, or we can take it out, take it off, and stack just 2 boxes. Now, when we stack 2 boxes here, it's around 25-inch high. It's definitely a counter display, so you can put it on your countertop display to to show your product here. And here on the top,
what's it used for?
Yeah, there are wooden slots. They are useful. Yeah, they're useful. The 2 wooden slats are to position box to make sure you want to here you can see you can remove now. So this will make the structure stable. Also, you can use both here to screw or put together to make the structure more stable.
Yeah, that's really great. And I found that it also can work as a correct within correct when you want to transport some goods. It will be a good function.
Yes, it's very convenient if you just carry one crate.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about the materials.
All the function is finished.
Okay, yes, our function introduction about this display is finish it.
Yes. If you guys have any question about the function, please leave message here and we will answer you one by one later. And not only about the white display, we also can do other displays such as the cosmetic display and speaker display, watch display, and footwear display are all can be offered. Yeah.
Yes, our team just not manufacture, we offer a solution offer, so we can handle different materials that can give you a workable solution. Okay, let's back to the materials about this display. So can you tell what wood is used for this box by turning from the wood screen?
It's not a difficult question.
Okay, you're right.
It's pine wood, with a very good looking, but also economy cost. So the pine wood also will be widely used in our display.
Yes, pine is a very good option to make our clients a good looking, but with an economic lower cost. Okay, about the finish, you see now it is in a good look. Here, I take another wood holder to compare with colors. You can see now this one, this box is very dark, and this one is not. So it's a light color. You will see when we see the box, it's definitely seems like it's very old because we make it got a special treatment. And when we touch this one, the surface is smooth, but this one is a texture. Yes, we got some special treatment to make it close to our old crate. So that's the finish about
great finish. Yeah, we also can do this finish, but we also can do the other slide finish and wash white finish. It's very good old looking. So sometimes on the finish on the materials, we may have some defects on the manufacturing. So there may be like the bird's eye, the knobs, and minor streak, or this defect may be because on the solid wood.
Yes, there are defects from the material itself, such as the first one, eyeboard. Eyeboard is just a small error in the wooden. It's just a very tiny, small, just maybe as small as my small finger at the end of the small finger. It's the small error contorted to form a circular part, which looks like a bird eye. So that's why we call it bird eye. We will move the defects product when we inspect income materials. This is the first one about board.
Yeah. Okay, let's begin the second one, knobs. Knobs varied in size and colors and shapes. So you can find many knobs on the wood. Sometimes they are closed knobs, open knobs, and ring knobs, and soft knob and unsoft knob. Closed knobs and soft knobs are acceptable sometimes, but if you want to avoid all the knobs, you need to pay the high cost for us to do the incoming material inspection. So
yes, the third one is mineral streak. Mineral streak is usually happens in some hard materials such as maple, cherry. The mineral streak caused by the trees extracted a mineral from soil. So it comes to the trees, you find some maybe short or long streaks is darker. So it is very noticeable. If you choose to your display with a light color, the middle streak will be noticeable. So if you choose a light display, the display with a light color, well, don't suggest to use maple, this material, to avoid defects appears on your display. If your display with dark color, that's never mind. It's fine to choose any material as the dark finish will cover the middle streak. That's one defects about solid wood. Yes. Please new message here if you have any question. We'll answer your question one by one, or follow us and direct email for your information, or click the speak per link on the right to chat with our people. Except the wooden display or wine display, other displays such as a cosmetic display, sport, or TV, and some even a speaker display or phone display we are all can offered.
Yeah. You can offer of them. Okay, let me check if you guys have any questions. Okay. Oh, someone asked what products can we use afterward?
For sure, as we mentioned that in the beginning, we are really good at handling different materials. So you can choose other materials such as wood, acrylic, metal, or some plastic material to build your displays. That's definitely not a question to us. So just email us for your detailed information. We'll contact you as soon as possible.
Yeah, thank you for your answer. See some new guys come in. Thank you for all of you. Okay, I want to let you know that we have some discount coupons ready for you guys. If you guys can keep to leave message here through your phone, you'll be the lucky one to get the discount coupon. Please don't be hesitate to contact us or email to us directly. Okay.
Yes, our workmate will take a screenshot or use her phone. The name shown on the phone screen will be the next ones to get the coupons. Coupons are just free. Why not have a try and just leave your message here? You will possibly get the coupons. Okay, I will count just 3 seconds. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Started. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Our workmate will give our name list later. So, is there any more question about this one?
Oh, I see some guys want to know the around price of the display.
The price depends on quantity, how many displays you need, and the specific display size. So please give us your more detailed information. We will offer you a workable solution, but to make the display is definitely what you need.
Okay. Yeah, I got the name who have got our discount coupons. They're namely John, Ella, and Emily. Congratulations to all of you.
So congratulations all of us. Please contact us new message, give your email, and get the details as soon as possible. Okay, let's start our introduction for the next product.
Okay. Here you see is a barrel shape display. It seems like a barrel.
Yes, I see there are just 4 slats, not a full barrel shape. So why we just use the don't make a full barrel shape display here?
Yeah, as you know, if you want to save the cost, the full barrel will cost much on the materials, so will help client to save costs. As you see, the flat is solid wood.
Oh, yes. So that's a whole display made by solid wood.
Will be very high cost. Yes. Okay.
Uh,
If you use the full display in solid wood, it will be very high cost. So we choose to use just 4 slabs. And as you see, the cell and the slab are the same finish.
yes, I didn't see any difference between the wood grain color between the shelves and the slats.
The shelf is man-made wood.
Man-made wood.
Yeah.
Oh, why we use man-made wood here but use solid wood on side?
Because we can make these two parts in the same finish, but also the man-made wood is cost less, with less cold. So why we don't use the different materials to with same finish to save the cost? And as you see, the diameter of the cell is too big. So if you automate it in solid wood, it will be a high cost.
Oh, that makes sense. And now I understand the point. So, if to save cost, why we don't make the snatch the on side? Also use man-made wood.
As you see, wood, solid wood is versatile. So if you want to make the man-made wood, you will not purchase this. And we also can make this in the same finish. Why not to choose a more economical solution?
Yes, yes. So I see the finish of the wood is man-made wood, right? And the snacks are solid wood, but the material have wood grain here. So that their finish, their appearance is the same as the sign. So how to achieve that?
As you see, it's just when on the surface. So if you want to make it in the same finish, we can just need to make the veneer stuck on the panels of the main wood.
This is a great smart solution to use two different materials but the same looking to save our nice cost. I have another question. So is there any tip to choose man-made materials?
Yes, man-made wood. Sometimes we have three types of man-made wood. One is the particle wood, and one is middle density fiberwood and high density fiberwood. Okay, as you listen, the particle sometimes it's not used in display because it's easy to be damaged when you after you screw and unscrew the display. It will be very easy to be broken. Okay, about the high density display, density fiberwood, as you see, is very high force. So we prefer the middle density fiberwood because it's strong enough, but with lower cost. So it's very economist. We also have several quality levels. What we are using are even grade wood for Europe and Australian markets and EPA, TSCA, title SINT certificate panels for USA market. is safe to the environment and the human beings and apply for the local materials. So it's very great. We can control the common materials.
Thanks. As I know about the wooden parts, so I can see the finish is very dark, so the material is not so dark, right?
Yeah.
It is a light color or even darker than this.
No. The raw material is light. So after heating, the display, all the materials will be the finish. Okay.
So I have another question. So, imagine that the display is oil and right?
Yeah.
Does that is harmful to people or environment?
No, definitely not. Generally, the macro products may appear in good product. The paint is very environment friendly, and we can offer the certificate if you guys want to check. It's very, yeah, you know.
Yes, it's really good that to her that the plant is no won't be harmful to people and we and the environment.
Yeah. If you want this, I also can give you some ideas how we control the qualities. Some generally there may be problems may appear in the food products, such as the blossom page, apple spores, and orange surface, and some chipping or breakages, and so on. So we have total four inspection to control our qualities.
Yes, we have two inspection at least to do a forward. First of one is long inspection for incoming materials and two inspection for inline productions and another one for final product. The order involved different materials. There will be much more inspection to ensure the quality is really good enough to be shipped out. Okay, then the introduction about this display. Do you have any team visiting question here or anything you want to see and look here? Please invest here. We'll answer your question. I will later.
Yeah. So we'll have a discount coupons ready for you guys. Please email me here, and you will be the lucky one to get these discount coupons.
So maybe someone are you to come to our next stream? Let's briefly give an introduction about Responsy. Hey, the Responsy display. I'm Nicole, and this is Dennis, and our company Responsy display has been a focus on customized UV displays over 20 years. About 9% products are shipped to America, Australia, and Europe.
Yeah, and we have a good engineer who can offer very good solution and throw in for you to check the details one by one. Okay, here the discount coupon. Let me see, is there anyone check the send us the message? Okay, someone asked what's our MOQ.
For urban is what says it is not a big coin, so most of clients is able to order one hypothesis.
Yeah. Oh, someone asked, can we ship this to Holland?
Sure, any word you can find in the world can offer service.
Yes. Okay. So I see you guys give us messages, so you will be the lucky one to get these coupons. How to get this?
Okay, just invest here on our automated video. Take screenshot with her photos. The name listed on her photos will be the next one to get coupons. Let's count down. 3 seconds. Okay, 3,
2, 1.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
I see some guys giving the name list. Okay. Yeah, I got the name list who have got the discount coupon. They are namely Ivy, and David, and Caroline. Yeah.
email us as soon as possible to the coupons. This will be a nice try to meet with us.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the introduction for
The final product.
And you can see this is a virtual style display. It is also older look and pattern and the cartoon or the manufactured details are reflected this sedan amplifies strong virtual styles. Let's look at the front side. It is made by two materials, wood and metal. Let's talk about the wood part firstly.
Yes, I see the wood part here. Is the wood board with laser cut logo and filled with gold colors. So it's very Asian.
Yes, it's a rainbow look. It's the dark golden color.
Yeah, and I also see this wood part. Oh, this is a MDF wood part. MDF.
Yes, it is not solid wood. So why we use manual here?
I think it's what is useful to save the cost.
Yes, use different manufacturer to make a round shape.
Yeah. This is so big, if you make it in solid wood, it will cost very high.
Okay, and let's talk about the
Right.
size. You can see the top one can move a bit because it is designed to remove every panel, but our panel don't want to. It's too easy to get removed. So we use a tool from here, and you can remove it by unscrew the top plate.
Yeah.
So the plate is four color printing here.
Yeah. And when it comes to the bottom, you can see figure 8 here. As you see, the metal sheets. But what matter do you think of it? Sometimes we think it's a Cooper because it looks like Cooper. It looks like Coopers. But actually, it's stainless electric plating. Yeah.
Yes.
Because Coopers is soft sometimes, so we need to make it strong enough so stainless electrically is a better solution.
Yes, just look at the pattern here. It's very beautiful and make me remind of some old date in the ancient times. It is complete and it's fabulous the looking. So I was full of sad by this patterns. But as you see, the pattern is complete, so it required a longer lead time as not more labor cost involved to make this pattern. This part is also powder coated to avoid rust here.
Yeah. When we talk about metal, the frame, the side frame is also made of metal. And the cover is, you see, is darker blue.
Yes, it's also the make this color to make the display look old looking. Besides this finish, we also have offer some finish to make the display different old looking style, such as to paint clear paint on raw sheet metal materials or some hammer paint with texture or copper oil paint. All of this can make your the metal part in a different look. Okay, this is all about our tradition for the metal finish.
Yeah. And we also have some event unavoidable in the manufacturing. So we also got something to tell you about this. Here I have some defense product in negative. Our companies are using multi-frequency inspection to ensure we can get rid of the defective products for you. So it will be as early as possible. So we have uh, four steps to make this sure. Firstly, we will make a pre-mass production sample sign-off, and then we will check the incumbent material. And then, when it comes to the production line process, we also do inspections. And the final product inspection also is necessary. Okay, all our inspections are based on the AQL standard. The full name of the AQL is Acceptable Quality Limit. AQL standard is popular all over the world. All our the first inspection parties are using this standard to do quality inspection.
Yes, we use AQL standard to check income materials or inline productions, failure production, or even our samples. All this can make sure the quality is good enough to our clients. Also, there will be some defects, some scratch, or even water cooling surface, or weak welding or uneven. These defects will occur in this production, but we have a strict quality control procedure to ensure these defects will be removed from our mass production. So what you will get when we have these defects. Okay, that's introduction about this stand.
Okay, I see some of you guys comment to our live streaming. So welcome to all of you. Let us briefly our company to you.
Yes, here is Responsy display. I'm Nicole, and here's Dennis. Our company Responsy display has been focused on customized POP displays over 15 years, and about 90 products are shipped to America, Australia, and Europe.
Yeah, we have a group of engineers who can offer valuable solutions and drawing for you guys to check details one by one. Okay, Vince, welcome to you. So I have got the discount coupon for you guys. So if you just need to leave message here or ask some question, you will be the lucky one to get this discount coupon.
Yes, coupon are free. Why don't have a try? Just you message here possible in the coupons. So our workmate will take a screenshot of your phone, and the names of her phones will be the number to get the coupon. Okay, let's count down. 3 seconds. Okay,
3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. I have got the name list. They are namely Judy, Amy, and Karina. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you guys. Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Let's see if you guys have any question. So Oh, someone asked how long to make this display? How long to make this display?
Usually it will take 2 weeks to make drawings and prepare materials and then do the sample productions. But if you need a more simple structure, it will cost shorter depending on structure size and materials. So usually it will take 2 weeks. But if it's a simple structure, like just a curved box it just need 1 week. So depending on different project.
Okay. Oh, you keep to ask there how to ensure quality. You maybe lost some parts of our live stream, so
How to ensure our quality? That's a good question. Before we move to production, our designer will work structural drawings to yield or check material and material specification and function to make sure we will work your points. During the production, we also will offer you the picture to show you the finish or the materials to be sure these are considered the production schedule and also uh, uh, the materials and the material structure are correct to be made. And after that, we still will offer reports, including image video, to show you. So you don't need to, you want only to know the quality. Now you receive it. You just need to tell the quality by photos and videos, or we can take a video meeting to check details one by one. This is the first. The second is for the production. Pre-production sample will be made, and our sales and designer production team will be sent off the prototype to make sure all teams make sure we have the same quality standard. Next, we'll have at least 4 round inspection on materials, finish, manufacturer, so all of this is a complete quality control procedure applied on our company. This is more written, so everybody here, no matter it's freshman or old one, will know clearly about our quality standards or about our quality control procedure.
yeah, just with this great quality control systems, so we can get many orders from many famous brands such as the Olay and Disney and Sony. So thank you, Nicole. Thanks for your answer.
Thank you for my answers. Hope my answers could give you a clear points. If you still have question, please email us. We will investigate here.
Yes. Okay. It's coming to the end. So let's spend some time in looking over the display we introduced today.
Yes.
The first one is latch shade display, and the second one is modular wooden process display with overlooking, and third one is barrel shade display. The last one is a frost display with communicating patterns, and also is overlooking. Yeah, that's all we are sharing today.
Yes, this is what we will share today. If you are looking for an engineering team with strong engineering ability, please come to us. We have our in-house designer and engineers to give you choice and solutions.
Yes, okay. We'll let you know that we will have a next live stream for including the display for jewelry display, watch display, and pen display. On the 31 July, this is the this live stream.
Yes, the next about this month will be show our and the next live stream. It will be next on 12 to 13 Pacific time. We do have to see all the guys here.
Yeah.
So it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye bye.